how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Halloween cat. It's going to be simple, easy, and for beginners, okay? So basically the lesson's about 8 minutes. Stay all the way to the very end, and you will learn a new skill by the end of it. That's pretty much it, okay? Let's get started. Before I do that, definitely, if you love Halloween, you love learning how to draw and improving yourself, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification, okay? So let's get started. First thing I do is I'm going to throw a curved line over here for one side of the cat's face. And I'm going to draw the exact same on the far side here. Gonna go up, up, down, down, cross over here, curve in, curve in. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull down, okay? I'm gonna pull down, and it's gonna go out, kind of like a vase. Do the same thing on this side, pull down here, out like a vase. Gonna draw a flat line at the bottom, so we got that silhouette. And what I'm gonna do over here is I'm gonna put a pumpkin next to the cat to kind of make it very Halloween, right? So I'm gonna curve over here, curve over here, and it's gonna curve around the corner here. And I'm gonna do the same thing at the bottom here. I'm gonna probably do like these bumps on the bottom right here to show the line up, out, down, line up over here for the stem of the pumpkin, line up over here for the stem. So we got these cool like silhouettes so far, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw the cat's eyes right here. So one, it's going to be like curved here. And underneath, right? It's gonna look like a leaf or something, like a leaf shape. I'm gonna go over here and do the opposing eye. Curve over here. Curve out. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill in this entire shape over here. Underneath here. This side. It's gonna filling this entire shape in there, so like the cat's just standing there, very like looming, right? Makes it look mysterious. Like so. Curve over here. And now I'm going to do here is I'm going to curve, and I'm going to find the striations on the pumpkin itself. And before I do that, actually, I'm going to find the eyes on the pumpkin, right? So I'm going to go over here, pull down, down here, in. So we have that shape, right? That's like a triangle shape for one eye. Over here, down, another shape. Up, down, right there, that middle triangle. And let's draw the mouth. And the mouth, I'm going to go with a thicker line and just kind of do that. It saves me having to draw around it. Right? It's just like the zigzag line right there with the side of my marker. Gonna fill in the eyes here. And then I'm gonna draw those thin lines I was drawing here. I'm gonna draw these thin lines. Line over here. Whew. And I forgot for the cat. So we kind of want to, okay, so I'm going to draw the cat tail over here. You can draw like a curved one on this side. You could draw one maybe behind over here, but I think it's more obvious if it comes right out of the cat. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve the line. Or you can draw like a wavy one. It's up to you. But I am going to draw a wavy one actually. Like so. And it's not a mouse tail, so it looks like a mouse tail, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to curve around over here, pull in, and I'm going to give the whole thing like a thickness. It's going to look like a worm or something. Okay, and we are going to fill that shape in now. All right, and that's pretty much it, by the way. If you got value from this, please do me a huge favor and hit that like. Also, if you got any value at all from the video, please do me a favor and I'm sorry, actually there's one more thing I need to do here. I'm gonna put like a moon shape over here behind it. I want to kind of merge it, make it look kind of like together, right? So I'm putting that shape. Don't you think it looks much better? Yeah. Like I said, if you got any value from this, please do me a huge favor and share the video with a friend that you think might enjoy it. That helps a lot. It really brings back cool people to the channel. And another thing it does, it really helps out just the general like vibe of the channel as well, as far as the algorithm too. Thank you. I will see you next time and we'll hang out soon. That is all, okay? Keep it easy and remember to stay spooky and see you later.